Couple more examples here. We still have three equations. We still have three variables. Now notice the trickle down here. They don't necessarily, they get bigger. We're still given one solution. We still have x, but now we have two equations with three variables. We're going to take that x, we're going to plug it into both of them, knock it down into something we know, which is a 2x2 system. So let's check that out. So this first equation, I'm going to go 2 plus y minus z equals 8. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, get y minus z equals 6. There's one equation we're going to use. The second equation, when we plug it in, it's going to be 2 times 2 plus y plus z equals negative 10. 4 plus y plus z equals negative 10. Subtract 4 from both sides. We get y plus z equals negative 14. There's my second equation I'm going to use. I have two equations, and I have two variables in each. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take those two equations, and I'm going to stack them. So I'm going to take y minus z equals 6. I'm going to take y plus z equals negative 14. Stack them. We add straight down. These cancel as is. We don't need any changes. Hopefully remember this from 2x2 systems. We get 2y equals negative 8 divided by 2. Y equals negative 4. We have a second solution. We've had x. We now have y. Take both of those solutions and plug it into either the second or third one. I like the second one, the middle equation, just because these, I think it's less to deal with. So I plug in 2 for x. I'll plug in negative 4 for y, plus negative 4 minus 4, it doesn't matter. Minus z equals 8. Let's finish it out. 2 plus negative 4, or 2 minus 4 is negative 2, minus z equals 8. Negative z is going to equal positive 10. So that means positive z equals negative 10. We have x, which is 2, y, which is negative 4, and z, which is negative 10. So we write those all out as an ordered triple. And we're done. Don't forget that is x, y, then z. So we have that. Next, same type of deal. A little different setup, but what I'm going to do is the same thing. I'm going to take that one solution I have, and I'm going to plug it in for y in both of them. I'm going to get two equations with two variables, and then I repeat the process as I did in the last problem. So I do that. Negative 4x plus 4 times 3 minus 4z equals 4. Show as much or as little work as you need to. Probably going to need to show a decent amount of work here in the beginning. Subtract 12. My first equation is going to be negative 4x minus 4z equals negative 8. So I have that. Second equation comes from me putting y in the last one here. So I have 3x plus 3 times 3 plus 4z equals 16. 3x plus 9 plus 4z equals 16. Subtract 9. We get 7 over there, which is my second equation here. 3x plus 4z equals 7. Stack those two that we got. So I take the first one, negative 4x minus 4z equals negative 8. Stack it with the second one, 3x plus 4z equals 7. Maybe here, there we go. Plus 4z equals 7. see if we can add straight down. Go ahead, those cancel out. We get negative x equals -1, so x equals +1. We have x equals +1. We have y equals 3. Plug it into any one. I'm going to choose this last one. I'm going to go 3 times 1 is just 3, plus 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4z equals 16. 3 plus 9 plus 4z equals 16. 12 plus 4z equals 16. Subtract 12, 4z equals 12. Or sorry, 12, 4z equals 4. Uh-oh. Oh boy. And then z equals 1. For some reason, that's not crossing out for me. I have 3 solutions. X is 1, y is 3, z is 1. And there's my ordered triple. 1, 3, 1.